Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will do the unboxing of the Umidigi A9. As you can see, it comes with 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM, and I ordered the grey version. Let's see some specs. It has a MediaTek 6762 Helio G25 processor, 8 core. It comes with Android 11. It has a battery of 5150 mAh. It has a 6.53 inch HD Plus screen, 1600 by 720 pixels. The back cameras are 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 8 megapixel. Front camera 8 megapixel. And as you can see, it supports a lot of bands. So for sure this one is also worldwide working. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. First of all, of course, we have the phone. We have the standard Umidigi envelope with the SIM card needle, and a small user manual. You have the charger, it's a 5 volt 2 ampere charger. And we have the charging cable, which is USB-C. Now, that's pretty much it. The phone comes with a silicone case. In standard quality, doesn't look that cheap actually. Okay, let's take it off. It comes with a screen protector already applied. This one also take it off. Now, if you can see, this is the 8 megapixel camera. For sure it's wide angle. The main camera is 30 megapixel. It's the one in the middle with the infrared thermometer. And the 2 megapixel. For sure it's for macro. Okay, the phone itself looks pretty nice. It's standard plastic with some texture. Phone does feel nice, not too heavy. Okay, we have on the right side, we have the power button, volume button. On top we have a headphone jack. On the left side we have the SIM card slot. And we have the key for the thermometer. I think you can also customize it, so you can choose some apps you can use it for. On the bottom you have the microphone, charging port, speaker. And of course on the back we have the cameras, fingerprint scanner. Okay, I'm going to set up my account and I will come back to you. Okay, I set up my account. So let's start with the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, fingerprint scanner is working fine. Not so fast, but it's okay. Okay. As you can see, on this phone also there are not so much already pre-installed apps. Actually, it doesn't come with any bloatware. It has the standard stock Android apps, only it has Zello. You can use your phone as a push to talk. Thermometer. You can do the temperature, but I don't know if it is really accurate. I'll try. 35.3. Try again. I don't know if it's really accurate. It looks like it's working, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's go to settings. Once again, pretty standard Android. You have the network, internet, connected devices, apps notifications, smart key, which you can program the side button, smart assistant, battery, display. It's pretty standard. Let's see the security. It has the security update from December 5. I don't know if it will receive a new update. I don't know. It's good that Google is also updating the Google Play system itself. That one is more recent, April 1. Okay. Let's go to some specs. System. Umidigi A9. I don't know what is the manufacturer. HXY. Comes with the MediaTek 6762 mainboard. It has 3 GB of installed RAM. Free storage left is almost 49 GB. It has the MediaTek Helio G25 processor. Runs on 8 times 1500 MHz. Display resolution is 720 by 1600. It has a 6.52 inches screen, 269 dots per inch. It has the PowerVR Rogi GE 8320 GPU. I will show you how Subway Surf is running. Screen is responding nice. Game is running smooth also. I think for games like this, it's perfect, but don't try the high resolution games. For sure they will not run very smooth. Okay, let's go to the camera. So the camera also is a standard stock Android camera app. We have the beauty, we have the video mode, picture mode, portrait mode, extra we have for the night and for professional. Let's go to picture mode, see what is the resolution. Maximum picture size is 13 megapixel. The video Full HD, maximum quality. Let's see the selfie camera. I will adjust my resolution because I don't think you can see it. I hope this is better. Video quality maximum. Maximum is Full HD. From the selfie camera, the picture selfie camera maximum is 8 megapixel. Okay, I would say let's go outside to take some pictures and videos. about the phone. The camera is pretty good. It's not the best, but it's good. It makes nice pictures. The phone itself is good for standard use, not for heavy games, but light games no problem. It's also good for normal use like texting, social media, calling, internet, that kind of things. Do I recommend this phone? Yeah, I do. I really recommend this phone. So, if you like this review, please like and subscribe. And I see you again in one of my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.